Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Ron and I'm back again with a brand new video here on my channel, Rock and Ron. So for today, I just want to showcase to you guys my new items for my new backlogs for this new year 2024. Alright, awesome. So we got some new rare items that I'm going to vlog about this new year 2024. Alright, and first of all, I just want to say I do highly apologize that I wasn't able to vlog about my previous backlogs for the year 2023, because to simply put it, I've been busy and I haven't got much time, motivation, and inspiration for me to be able to vlog about those previous items on my channel. But for this new year 2024, I'm going to do my best. I cannot promise anything, but I'm going to try to at least vlog most of it on my channel. Alright, so while I do that, I might as well try to do a quick tour of my mini studio or my room right here. So without further ado, starting off with my laptop. This is my gaming laptop right here. This is the Acer Predator 15. It has GTX 1070 for the graphics card, Intel Core i7 GPU for the CPU, and it has 16 gigabytes of RAM. So the thing is, I got this way back 2017, and I know, yes, it is quite outdated, but it can still keep up with nowadays new releases. I can still play Dota 2 with it, and GTA 5 and latest releases like Doom Eternal and whatnot. It still can play awesome games at decent frame rates at 1080p. Alright, awesome. And I can edit videos with it for my channel. Alright, so as you can see right here, so let's take a closer look for my favorite corner of my room here. So this is my gaming PC with my hobby table on the side. Alright, looks really awesome. Alright, there's my Ahsoka poster right there with my ship on the top. Alright, so the thing is, a closer look with some of the items here. So I do have some custom lighting here. So I do have this DIY lamp right here. So this has LED light bulbs which has low energy consumption. It doesn't even heat up, and yes, it has a Japanese lantern on the bottom. And on the side right here, I do have this $3 lamp that I got online for $3 on Shopee. This is powered by LEDs for my background lighting. So it has multiple colors. Like right now, it has color green, but with the push of the button, I can change the color on the background. Alright, it has green. It has a mode where it automatically changes the color every second. Alright, looks really awesome. Alright, so this is how it looks like. This is my favorite corner of my room here. And once again, this is my hobby table. It's kinda cluttered right now because of my previous acquisitions, but I'm going to do my best to start vlogging again for my channel. Alright, awesome. So let's go ahead and turn off the light quick to see how it looks like. Alright, so this is how it looks like. The lights turned off. Alright, looks really awesome. There's my lamp right here. That's the background lighting. And this is how it looks like every time I game on my laptop or edit my videos. Alright, that's really awesome. So let's go ahead and take a closer look with some of my items here. Let's turn the light back on. Alright, so this is my previous unbuilt kits for my backlog. So I do have the Kshatriya right here, high grade Kshatriya, still unbuilt. And I do have a spare high grade GP02A. Once again, this is a really solid kit right here. I still have it right now, no major issues with it, no loose joints or whatnot. Really awesome. I highly recommend this high grade GP02A. And besides that, I also have the MLRS version, the multiple launch rocket system for the high grade GP02A. It's still unbuilt. I might vlog about it as well on my future videos. And I also have two pieces of GP Rosetta 10 from the Gundam Build Divers Re-Rise series, and this is based off of the original high grade GP02A, which will be awesome, and that will be a solid build as well with ratchet joints and everything. Alright, so I do have some other add-on weapons here, like the valuable bud from the Build Divers again. For my Gyan, I do have a Gyan kit right there, and I'm going to put that add-on on my Gyan. So I do have the gas pens right here, the custom carrier. We do have a rare kit, which is the Big Sam. That is on a small scale, and I do have a spare tertium arms kit right there, and some couple of kits from Mercury. I do have the demi boarding and the durable already. All right, some HGUC kits, the O, Masala, and the Metal still unbuilt. And I do have the Marasai, the Gian, Jubilee, Gundam Mach 2, the DJ, Gundam Tertium, and the latest gun cannon, Cookers the One Silent version. And also I do have a premium Bandai kit, which is the Gelgoog Vertex. Alright, really awesome, still unbuilt. I do have the Camper, the Gapland, Super Gundam, Hygog, and the GOG, still unbuilt. Alright, really awesome. So closer look. So this is my other things here. So this is my RC cars, my RC tank, the SG1203, still works fine, no issues with it. Alright, and my awesome WL Soys 124019, and once again no major issues with it. I've been using this for 2 years now, and it still runs fine. So we have some new wheels on it, new tires, which is awesome. I haven't blogged about it yet. Alright, 3.75-inch figures. There's Goblin and that other one. And also I do have a rare Microman Takara Tomy figure here from Evangelion, which is the best girls from the series, Rei and Azuka. So once again, this is in scale with 3.75-inch figures, almost the same size, actually a bit bigger with my Goblin figure here, and this will surely fit inside my RC tank. So this is fully articulated. You can do multiple poses with it. Alright, that will be awesome, and I'm going to blog about it as well on my feature videos this year. Alright, some additional rare items here. So there's my RG Sasabe still unbuilt. Alright, with a red logo. This is not a reprint, this is the original OG version. And also I do have this diecast planes right here. This is the stunt plane from the Matchbox Skybusters. And this is a rare piece right here. Very rare, hard to find. Diecast metal plane, and this can go well with my aircraft carrier. Alright, really awesome. And also besides that, I do also have this Sky Scorcher from Skybusters. This is also rare. Alright, goes well with my aircraft carrier. And also I do have this unbuilt Gundam Base 01. This is actually 49G, but this will work as well with the Sasabe, the RG Sasabe. Alright, some other items here. So some small items like some diecast Tomica figures here. Some minifigures like this 1:1 44 scale diecast figures. Alright, for diorama and whatnot. Really awesome. Alright, so once again, this is my hobby table. Currently right now it's cluttered. It's messed up because of my previous acquisitions. It has multiple items on it, but currently right now I'm working with my Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive kit, and it does have some minimal upgrades on it, some metal upgrades, and yes, that will be awesome. So actually I do have a box of parts right here for my Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive kit. We do have the Ultra Dash motor. I should have gotten the plasma motor, but it is actually banned from races with the Ultra Dash as well. But yeah, still awesome. I do have some wheels on it, some carbon fiber upgrades, bearings, and other upgrade parts. That will be awesome. I might blog about it as well in my future videos. And other items here, some other kits, Tamiya unbuilt kits, some add-on kits for the demi boarding. Alright, so this is my what they call this, the Gundam standard figures. Smaller in scale but still awesome, very rare, hard to find. Alright, awesome. So there's this spawn figure right there, really awesome. I might blog about it as well. Alright, so yeah, I'm moving forward for my new items here. So we got some new equipment for my channel. So we do have this rotating display base here, which will be awesome for my channel, for me to be able to showcase my builds. Alright, so this is USB powered, and that will be awesome. Alright, so besides that, I do have this awesome kit, quite heavy, the Lightyear Surge ship. Alright, I can hold it in one hand, it's quite heavy. I got it for sale for only $15 online, and I got 2 of them. Alright, but awesome. So I'm planning to do some custom builds on that. And besides that, also I got this awesome, very rare Mobile Suit in Action Deluxe Gundam GP01 Full Burning Gundam. Alright, awesome. So this thing has ratchet joints, very solid build. Alright, you can actually play with this and display them without any problems. and this is really hard to find nowadays, quite expensive as well. I got this from Japan, ship, still sealed, really awesome. And also besides that, I also got the Mobile Suit in Action Deluxe V Gundam. Alright, it's really awesome. So I got this from a friend, have a really good deal with it. Once again from Japan. This is the Japanese version. Alright, looks really awesome. The box is in good condition, and the figure is back in box. No issues with the ratchet joints, it's still tight. And yeah, and last but not least, this is the very awesome and very heavy deluxe Mobile Suit in Action Sasabi. Alright, very hard to find, and this is from Japan. The box is kinda not so good in condition, 7 out of 10, but it's still good. It works, and the item is back in box, solid ratchet joints, nothing loose, no issues, and yeah, it will be really awesome. I'm going to blog about it on my future videos. Alright, and besides that, we do have a new RC for the channel. So we do have this 4x4 1:12 scale MN128 model. Alright, so I'm going to blog about it as well on my future videos. So actually I have it out of the box right now. I was able to check it. Alright, so this is how it looks like. This is a rock roller right here, 4x4. So expect some upgrade videos for this RC car or RC truck, and that will be awesome. Alright, so anything else? So yeah, almost forgot to mention, this is my aircraft carrier. This one is to 1/44 scale. Let's take a closer look on the aircraft carrier. So once again, this is probably the biggest toy in my collection right now. Alright, so let's take a closer look. Alright, so I have to climb the chair right here. So yeah, a full view of this aircraft carrier right here. So this is the same size as my desktop table below, where I put my laptop and my keyboard and my mouse. Alright, so once again, this is 1:1:44 scale, in scale with my high grade kits and high grade diecast planes. Alright, so as you can see right there, that's the pilot figure from the real grade Mach 2 Gundam, and it is in scale with the bridge right there, as you can see. Alright, so if I put my gun tank on it, so by the way, this is my gun tank. This is how it will look like. Alright, really awesome. Really good for dioramas and whatnot. So by the way, this aircraft carrier is shipped from Japan. I got it from a friend. So it doesn't have a particular brand, but it's really rare and vintage, and it's made in Japan. Alright, very hard to find nowadays. Alright, so once again, that's my quick tour of my mini studio / room, hobby room, with my collections, with my backlogs. Alright, really awesome with my new acquisitions. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So let's go ahead and take a closer look and see some quick updates for my channel here. So currently right now, our channel has 526 subscribers. Alright, really awesome. So once again, thank you so much for subscribing and watching to my channel. I highly appreciate you guys. So by the way, I've been thinking, what should I call my subscribers or my fans? Shall I call them Ronins or Rockers? Alright, so once again, thank you so much, Rockers or Ronins, for subscribing. Once again, this is Ron. Rock on, stay awesome, and have a good one.